Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I just want to let you guys know about a brand new streaming application coming to Firesticks and Fire TV devices later this year. Now, the streaming application that I am going to mention is called Redbox. Now, you'll see from the image here, you may be familiar with Redbox, as their traditional business model has been DVD rentals for only $1 per night. Now, of course, they've had to adapt, and they do have their own website. They have their own on-demand movies where you can rent them online and stream them, on any mobile device, web browser, computer, tablet, and more. They also have an application inside the Google Play Store if you want to go ahead and do that. But the big news here, reported from Cord Cutter News, is that Redbox is going to be having an on-demand streaming application coming to Firesticks and Fire TV devices. All right, guys, so let's dive into the article here and look for some of the details. As you see, it says the parent company of Crackle has announced a partnership with Amazon to expand its ad business. Now, with this deal, Amazon will work together to offer new advertising capabilities, including free ad-supported services like Crackle. But the important part is it says part of this deal will mean that Fire TV will finally have a Redbox video app that will allow customers to watch free movies and TV shows through Redbox. So guys, just an awesome update here that we are going to get access to the Redbox application with probably hundreds, if not thousands, of on-demand movies and TV shows for free. So you'll see here it says, with this new deal, Crackle and Redbox will become one of the first third-party publishers to support Amazon's new interactive video ads. So of course there are going to be, those in-stream ads that we do see in various in-stream streaming applications. So then you'll see there's a quote here from Crackle and those, involved at Amazon. But it looks like, guys, and one thing I didn't really know is that Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment, who owns Crackle, actually owns Redbox as well. So I learned something here just quickly reading off this article to you guys. And then it goes on to, just give some other details about the report and whatnot. But either way, guys, if you want to access Redbox right now, you can simply go to the website, and I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Same with the Google Play Store. You can already access it here. But that's it, guys. That is just a really quick update letting you guys know about the brand new streaming app called Redbox that'll be coming to Firesticks and Fire TVs later this year. I do not know an exact date yet on when this will be happening, as that has not been released, but I for sure will keep you all posted once that application is officially launched. But that's it, guys. That is just a really quick update I wanted to bring to you about the brand new Redbox streaming application coming to Fire TV devices later this year. I do not know an exact date on when that will be happening, but I will keep you all posted once that is officially launched. So again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Guys, I truly appreciate you who watch all my videos, leave comments, like my videos. This motivates me to create more content like this in the near future. Guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel here if you haven't already, and I hope you all have a great day.